Hi everyone, welcome back to my little kitchen. Now, today's recipe is a biryani. It's prawn, which is my favourite, and pea biryani. And today I'm going to be showing you a very rustic style way of cooking. What I normally do at home. Usually you've seen me cook with all the ingredients measured out and laid out nicely, so I just add them in. Here I'm just going to run through the ingredients as to what's needed, and I'll be showing you how to put them in with equal amounts step by step. So let me just show you what you need first of all. I've not got the oil here, which I forgot. Oopsie! Never mind. We've got 6 cups of rice, which I've yet to wash and soak, which I will do before I start cooking. I've got yoghurt here, chopped in tomatoes, 2 large onions, which I've diced into small pieces because I want them to cook quick. I've got frozen peas. I've got 900 grams of prawns, king prawns, which I placed in water, and I'm going to allow them to defrost. Ginger paste, garlic paste, and just these spices: salt, garam masala, coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, and some spices here, which are cumin seeds, black cardamoms, cloves, bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, and black peppercorns. And let's start cooking. I'm so excited! This is my favourite biryani, and Sid's been drooling over this for months and been saying, you know, make this for me, but I finally got the time to make this and share this with you. Girls and boys, oops, first and foremost, get the wok really nice and hot, and I mean really nice and hot. You want the onions to go in and start sizzling straight away, and you want to hear them. Okay, the oil's nice and hot now. And now cook these until you've got a really nice dark brown colour on them. So they're nice and dark. Back in a bit, guys. So onions are done now, nice colour. This is what you're looking for. And I'm just going to go in with the whole spices now. So just a couple of sticks, maybe 3 of cinnamon. And I like bay leaves in there, so I'm going to chuck 5 in there because I like them. And just a handful of peppercorns, black peppercorns that is, yeah. And a few, 3 black cardamoms, and again just a small amount of cloves. And the zira, what you want to do is you want a heaped tablespoon of zira going in, just like that. Well, that's the entire lot. And I didn't measure that, guys, I just fluked it. And that in there, and just fry that for about 2 minutes. Oh, it smells nice, especially when the spices are frying away. It smells really nice. 2 minutes or so frying, just so all the spices are infused in the onion, and then we'll add the rest of the ingredients in. Oh, it smells really good. Come. So you can smell the spices are really nice and aromatic. Now we're gonna throw the tomatoes in. Oh, put up beans. We're going to throw the spices in as well now. Dry ingredients first. So salt, a heaped tablespoon. Chili powder. Oops. That's in there. Chili powder, same thing. Coriander powder as well. And I'm actually going to throw the garam masala in right now as well, so it mixes well in. And heaped tablespoon of ginger paste, and the same of garlic, straight in there. Stir. Gorgeous colour, look at that, really nice. And we're going to cook this until the tomatoes break down a little and it sort of like starts to release the oil. So you can see the masala is really nice and thick now. I'm just going to add a little bit of water to this just to allow it to break down even more. And just let that cook until you've got a nice smooth masala. So masala's ready, and I'm going to throw 1 cup and 2 actually, it needs 2. So 2 cups of frozen peas and a few extra straight in there. And just cook these for a couple of minutes, they don't need that long. Okay, are we done? I'm just going to close the gas and I'm just going to add the yoghurt to this. That goes in like that. Again guys, all the ingredients, the measurements will be in the description box, so don't panic. And just stir that in. My sister's mouth is watering as she's filming this. She's like, So you can see, you just want to cook this for about 3 to 5 minutes. A few more minutes to go, and you just want it to be a lot more thicker because you don't want it to be too sort of like runny. And then we're going to add the prawns into that, which I've defrosted, I've washed and I've drained them, and they literally don't need any cooking. They just need to be warmed through 2 or 3 minutes and they'll be done, and then we can start boiling the rice to layer the biryani up. So this is now ready. You can see the oils come to the surface, and we can just add the prawns straight in there. Yeah, now this is going to literally cook for 2 to 3 minutes because we don't want the prawns to go rubbery. So you want them to be really nice and plump. So 2 to 3 minutes, and we're going to boil the rice straight after that. So it's been a few minutes since this has been cooking away, and this is perfect. This is what you want. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove it from the heat and just set that aside, and then boil our biryani rice. So in with a generous amount of salt, and then throw your rice in. Just give that a quick stir and bring that to the boil, and you want to half cook your rice. Rice are half cooked. I'm just going to go drain them, and let's layer the biryani. So let's layer this up. Just turn the gas back on again on a very low gas flame, and I'm just going to throw the rice in on top like that. Perfectly cooked rice. Get everything off. And then just spread it out even. Turn the gas even lower now, just really, really low. You can see. And then just get a clean tea towel and just do a dum like that, straight on in, and leave that for about 15 to 20 minutes, and we'll come back to it and show you what it looks like from the inside when I break the dum. So I hope you've enjoyed watching my prawn and pea biryani video. This is the product ready. I'm going to dig into this now and tell you how it tastes, and I can't wait. The flavours are so good. Brilliant, brilliant prawn and pea biryani. Do try it out, guys. The yogurt mixture has made it so nice and soft, the prawns. They're not rubbery or tough at all. Nice and soft, really just melt in your mouth. the peas work really well together. It's flavoursome, it's aromatic, it's got all the spices which are spot on. Right, I'm going to go in again. The prawns are my favourite. So good. The recipe and all the ingredients are going to be in the description box, so do check that out. And if you've not seen my previous video, guys, I'm going to put a link of it in the description box. Do check it out. In the meantime, try the recipe out. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back again with another video for you guys very soon. Take care and happy eating.